Okay, I swear this is like the third Macy's store I've been to where the elevator's been in this exact spot. But yeah, this is the elevator at Macy's, Flatiron Crossings Mall, Broomfield, Colorado. To be honest, this is an elevator I've anticipated on riding for a while. I don't know why, but I have. I know exactly what it is. There it is. And try to avoid getting a WMG claim here because, yeah. KSS 220. Literally, security camera, literally just like the one up in Macy's in University Heights. Montgomery, KONE. Get a tap you real quick. Pretty nice elevator. Codes too. That was an epic motor. We're listening to that again. Door close works, I like that. Very nice elevator here. This thing runs way better than the one in University Heights does. Better shape too. The exact same cab though. Alright, we're gonna let the doors close and listen to that motor again. There's your button. Alright, start the motor with the doors closed. Let the door close button's like stuck in. Alright, 3, 2, 1. That was a fantastic motor. And down on one. You can see it going through the doors. Very nice. All right. And now to avoid getting a copyright claim again, there it goes, and that'll be it. Thank you for watching.